Do you know which Canadian credit card is currently dominating the no-fee cashback category? The credit card landscape in Canada is competitive. Every year, financial institutions battle it out to be recognized as the best for rewards, travel, or everyday spending. If you're looking for a card that consistently delivers top-tier value without a yearly fee, you've likely come across one name again and again: the Rogers World Elite Mastercard, now known as the Rogers Red World Elite Mastercard. Over the last few years, especially following a major refresh of its reward structure, this card has been on an absolute tear, scooping up some of the most prestigious accolades in Canadian personal finance. The most recent and notable wins are overwhelmingly in the cashback arena. For example, the Rogers Red World Elite Mastercard was recently named the best no-fee cashback credit card by several prominent Canadian financial publications and award platforms, including Rates.ca, Credit Card Genius, and Rewards Canada, specifically for the 2024 and 2025 award cycles. So, why is it winning everything? The answer is simple: unparalleled value, especially for Rogers customers. Most no-fee cards top out at a 1 or 2% return on specific categories. The Rogers Red World Elite, however, has an incredible, multi-layered reward structure that makes it tough to beat. First, it offers an elevated base rate. But the real game-changer is the 1.5x redemption bonus. If you're a Rogers, Fido, or Shaw customer and you redeem your cash back against your eligible bill, you get a 50% boost on your rewards. This redemption boost is what turns an already strong card into an award winner. For Rogers customers, this effectively means a 2% everyday earn rate jumps to a true 3% cash back value. That's a 3% rate on all your purchases for no annual fee. It's this high-value, easy-to-use reward mechanic that credit card experts keep recognizing. On top of that cash back, the card has also received recognition for its travel perks, specifically for being one of the few no-fee cards to include emergency medical and trip cancellation insurance, along with 5 complimentary roam-like home days annually for Rogers mobile customers. The combination of high cash back, valuable insurance, and a $0 annual fee is the magic formula that has propelled the Rogers Red World Elite to the top of the awards podium. If you're a Rogers customer looking for the best zero-cost card to maximize your spending, the industry has clearly spoken. With that said, thanks for watching, and until next time.